to remove inshot watermark or capcut watermark from your video after editing or while editing anyone. Join me on the screen. Let me show you how to do it. It's very easy and simple. A lot of people, after editing their video, you see the watermark on their video. It's not good. Oga of this platform no like am. So join me on the screen. Let me show you how to remove it while editing or after editing. Let's go, guys.
So guys, this is how to remove inshot watermark on your videos before exporting it. Tap video. If you go to your inshot, you tap new, then go to your gallery, go and bring the video that you want to upload, you want to edit. So let's assume it's this one now that I want to edit. I bring it in. So once you bring it in, this arrow here now, this star here now is the inshot watermark. You tap it. Once you tap it, it will tell you free remove. This inshot pro is paid version. This free remove, if your connection, your data or your Wi-Fi is on, advert might do, but if your Wi-Fi or data is off, advert will not do. Like this one now, advert didn't do. Have you seen it? It's off. So after editing your video, you export. So when you export it, the inshot watermark will not show on your video. Alright, so let's go to capcut. Once you go to capcut, then you tap new project. Once you tap new project, you bring in the video you want to edit, add it. Once you add it, the watermark will be at the end here. This my own now. There is how I did it. I off the thing entirely. I off it entirely so that if I finish editing my video and I forgot to remove it from here, now here they said add ending. If I forgot to remove it, so it will not show on my video because I've already off it entirely. But if you also if you're editing and tap something like this, that thing have enter. Have you seen it? It have enter because I tapped there. So have you seen it? It was not showing before, but the CapCut has shown now. So to delete it, just tap here again. You see delete here. You tap delete, it has deleted. Oh yeah, see. Let me play it. Have you seen it? So the video stop here. But once you tap here, that CapCut logo will show. So if it show, you tap here, tap delete, it has deleted. So let me show you another place that I followed and off it entirely. Is here now. If you go to, okay, let me go back. If you go here now, here your setting, you tap, then you see this add default. Tap it, add default. Have you seen it? My own is off. This add default ending is that CapCut watermark you are saying. No, this add default ending is that watermark you're saying. So if I on it like this now, after editing video, that CapCut logo will show. You understand it? That CapCut logo will show after editing my video. But once you come here, tap here, they will ask you discard ending, keep or discard. You tap discard. It's off. Have you seen it? It's off. The only thing that will make this CapCut to show again on your video is when you tap here. If you didn't tap here, the ending will not show. Have you seen it? The ending have shown because I tap here. So in case of necessity, you mistakenly tap here while editing your video. Just after editing, that is why it's very important. After editing your video, you replay it so that you know if everything has come out very well. So you mistakenly you tap it and this CapCut no go show. Just tap it like this, you tap delete. So that's all. That's it, guys. That's how to remove inshot watermark and capcut watermark. I hope you understood the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, share and follow for more videos. I love you all. Bye. See you all in my next video.